The Supreme Court has reserved its judgment in a suo motu case initiated in 2019 to address systemic flaws in the implementation of Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, also known as POCSO. The matter was heard by a bench comprising Justice Bila M. Trivedi and Justice P.B. Varale. Senior advocate and amicus curiae Uttara Babbar submitted that the court had previously issued multiple directions regarding the establishment of special POCSO courts, appointment of special public prosecutors, and training of officials handling the POCSO cases. She requested that the court continue monitoring compliance, particularly in light of several states still failing to meet the requirement for special POCSO courts laid down in the 2019 order. During the hearing, Justice Trivedi noted that while the situation had improved since 2019, the core issue remained the acute shortage of judges in the country. She observed that establishing special courts alone would not suffice, as many of these courts were not adequately staffed. She further remarked that special acts are enacted saying there shall be special courts, but these are being run by regular judges. She remarked that special acts are enacted saying that there shall be special courts, but these are being run by regular judges. That there is shortage of judges and that this is the hard reality. Babbar also presented a list of states that are currently falling short in establishment of special POCSO courts. For example, states of Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh lack 5 courts, Maharashtra 19 courts, West Bengal 53 courts, etc. One of the advocates informed the bench about an impleadment application filed in the All India Judges case, stating that although the court had ordered the creation of special courts under that matter, the existing shortage of judges could hamper the functioning of general courts. When the court asked the state councils for updates on compliance, most sought additional time to obtain instructions. Expressing concern, Justice Trivedi said that this matter is adjourned from time to time to allow you to take instructions. Well, the court has now reserved this judgment in the matter. Stay tuned to know the verdict.